Good morning, students of class 10. I am B.D. Bhagat to teach you math and in the chapter coordinate geometry. You already learned some elementary knowledge about coordinate geometry. So I shall teach you for coordinate geometry for class 10. If there are 2 points, as you know the formula, if there is a line AB and the points of A, coordinate of A is x1 y1 and coordinate of B is x2 y2. Then the distance between these 2 points, the distance between 2 points, the distance of a line joining 2 points A means x1 y1 and B means x2 y2 is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root. Must remember this formula. I was going to prove the formula, but as told by Amit sir, proof is not needed. So must remember the formula, the distance between 2 points whose coordinates are given. If the coordinates are x1 y1 and x2 y2, then the distance formula is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. We have some numerical mathematics related to this formula, so we shall do also. Now second formula, must remember this formula. Second formula also, I am not teaching to prove the formula because it is not needed, but I am giving the formula. Formula. AB is a line and the coordinates of point A is x1 y1 and coordinate of point B is x2 y2, and in between, in the line AB, there is a point P anywhere, and suppose the coordinate of P is x and y, then actually we have to find the coordinate of P. So formula says x coordinate. Mind it, this point P divides the line AB in the ratio m is to n, means AP is to PB is equal to M is to N. So we shall know the formula of the coordinate of point. Suppose the coordinate of point P is x and y. Now x coordinate of P, coordinate of P, x coordinate of P is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. mx2, m into x2, this, plus n, this, into x1 by m plus n. This is the value of x coordinate. Similarly, y coordinate of P is equal to my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So we must remember the formula, and I mean to say, if there is a line AB whose coordinates are given, coordinate of A is x1 y1 and coordinate of B is x2 y2, and there is a point P in the line anywhere. So now we have to find the coordinate of the point P divides the line AB in the ratio m is to n. I mean to say, AP by PB or AP is to PB, same thing, is equal to m is to n. So must remember x coordinate of P, which divides the line in the ratio m is to n, is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by n plus n, and y coordinate of P is equal to my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Must remember these two formulas. These formulas will help you in solving question. But one thing more, if P is the midpoint, P is PB, the midpoint of AB, then AP is to PB is equal to m by n, means m is equal to n. Therefore, coordinate of P x coordinate of P is equal to x1 x2 plus x1 by 2, and y coordinate of P is equal to y2 plus y1 by 2. No matter if you say x coordinate of P is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 and y coordinate of P is equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. Must remember, students, these two formula. Using these two formulas, we shall solve some mathematics. And for your convenience, any question? I am giving you. So must remember these formulas first, and after the formula we shall, we can do sums easily. There may be many sums. AB is a line whose coordinate, where coordinate of x is equal to 2 and 3. In place of x1, y1, 2 and 3. And the coordinate of B is equal to 4 and 5. And P is a point in between AB, which divides the line AB in the ratio 3:4. Then find the coordinate of P. I am writing the question also. AB is a line. The coordinate of A and B are 1, 2, suppose, and 3, 4. And P is a point which divides the line in the ratio 2:3. So find the coordinate of P. So here x1 is equal to 1, y1 is equal to 2, x2 is equal to 3, y2 is equal to 4, and m is to n is equal to 2:3. So use the formula, and therefore according to formula x coordinate of P is equal to, I am writing first formula for your convenience, mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. All values are given. M and 2 into x2 3 plus n 3 into x1 1 by m plus n means 2 plus 3. 6 plus 3 by 5 is equal to 9 by 5. Very easy. We have to use the formula y coordinate of P is equal to my2 plus ny1 by m plus 1 m plus n is equal to m 2 into y2 2 plus n 3 into y1 2 by m plus n means 2 plus 3. 4 plus 6 by 5, 10 by 5 is equal to 2. So in this way, there are so many questions and you will be asked to prove the question. And so I have done a sum taking the formula number 2 and formula number 1. According to formula number 1, I am giving a question, simple question. AB is a line and coordinate of A and B are, and I am giving any value, suppose -3, 2 and 0, -4. Find the distance. Find the distance between of AB. Here, solution. Here, x1 is equal to -3, y1 is equal to 2, x2 is equal to 0 and y2 is equal to 4, -4. So, distance between AB is equal to what? x2 under root, formula I am writing first, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root. So, we shall put the value of all the things. X2 0 minus x1 -3 whole square plus y2 -4 minus y1 2 whole square under root. It will be equal to 0 minus minus into minus plus 3 whole square plus both have minus, so it will be equal to -6 whole square under root. So it will be equal to only 3. I am not writing 0. 3 whole square plus -6 whole square under root. So it will be equal to 3 3 9 plus -6 into -6 minus into minus is equal to plus 36 under root is equal to under root 45. So taking the square root of 45 is equal to 3 into 3 into is equal to 3 root 5. Under root 45 is equal to here no into 5, which will be equal to, I am writing here, is equal to 3 root 5 answer. So this is a simple question. In this way, many questions can be asked. So I shall, and one more. So thank you for today. Now we shall